the final piece I wanted to go into here is free radicals and oxidative stress,
Mhm.
right? Tell us a little bit about that and why your environment, is impacted by free radicals and what we could do about that.
Yes, so there are lots of influences that are affecting our basically the levels of free radicals in our bodies. It might be stress, lack of sleep, like your lifestyle, of course, EMF, because one of the things, for example, EMF is basically causing on a biological level to uh, it's like the oxidative stress of our cells, we get higher levels of free radicals in our bodies, and this has been measured like again and again. And what we've done and what how we've measured the Somavedic effects on free radicals, it's quite an interesting story. As it was just last year when we approached some influential doctors here in Czech Republic, and they were quite skeptical about like Somavedic, and so we gave them free radical test strips, that you measure your free radical levels with your urine, with your morning urine. And so they've done the measurements, and basically both of them had high levels of free radicals, and they got quite scared, because they are doctors, they know what does it mean. So we gave them Somavedic, and they were supposed to do the measurements again in 2 days, and they've done the measurements, and the levels of free radicals showed that are like normal. It was like normal levels, and they were blown away by it, how like immediate effect it had. And and since then basically they are our supporters.
That's great, because once you show some, it's so hard, especially with these things, because they're unseen. And
Yes.
and you talk about EMF, the structure of water, free radicals. These aren't things we're visualizing. It's not like you could see sometimes, asbestos or something like that. That's visual, and we connect as a society with something that's visual. But you will never see the spectrum of radiation that is around us. We see such a small spectrum
Yeah,
in the color fields. If we
exactly.
saw everything else, it would be blinding to us, that is going
Yeah.
through us all the time. So it's amazing to show someone that and prove it a little bit and have them come on board then. So that's great. You were able to do that.